We are back at Animal Kingdom.
What could go wrong?
I don't think anything's gonna go wrong today. You know why?
Because we're not live streaming?
It's not a live stream. Now, if you watch the live streams, you know something usually goes wrong with me and the Yeti at Animal Kingdom.
It's true.
If you don't watch the live streams, things usually go wrong at Animal Kingdom with me and the Yeti. But this is an edited vlog. It's gonna go smooth.
Sure.
Oh, we've got Mickey and his pals coming by in a flotilla. Okay, we are back from the flotilla. We were thinking about lunch. Now, our favorite place to eat here is like the canteen here in Pandora, but I was trying to think of a place to mix it up for you guys. It's currently 10 a.m. I think a little bit too early for lunch. So what we're gonna do, I think we will go ride the Flight of Passage, and then when we're done with that, since the wait time's like 65 or 70 minutes, it will be the perfect lunch time. Here's something I just thought of, Nikki.
What?
The water ride here, the Calais River Rapids, does not get you too wet.
Yes, it does.
Let's do that.
No, you can't fool me. I know you get wet on that ride.
Yeah, you don't get wet.
Yes, you do.
Well, I tried, guys, but she does require that 24 hours notice before hopping on a water ride. No way around that. Also, I can tell they have removed the social distancing markers that were on the ground out here. While we're in line, I will mobile order our food. Don't worry, I have started my timer. It's just a matter, will I remember to check it when I get to the front of the line. All done with Flight of Passage. I will provide a POV in the description box.
Okay.
Fun as always.
Oh my gosh. Fantastic ride. The group like we were with, you can tell had never been on it before because they oohed and awed and like screamed and cheered and everything. It was so fun. I love being on rides like that, you know, where the vibe is just so upbeat and happy.
I agree.
Yeah.
The wait time was around 72, 73 minutes.
Yes.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, it was a long wait.
Still no fast passes. If you see people in the fast pass line, it's because of like a disability pass, Club 33, or like a child swap situation. So.
Yeah.
But now, it's time to eat.
Yes.
So this is what we did today. We never do this. We ordered from the kids menu. We like hardly ever show the kids food. I thought we would do that today. So what we have here is like a hot dog in a blanket with some vegetable chips. We're gonna cut that in half. We're both gonna have it. And then the other thing we have here from the kids menu is the cheese quesadillas with vegetable chips. And then each meal comes with a cutie. And then for dessert, we got the blueberry cream cheese mousse. That is to die for. I can't wait. Let's dig in. All done with our kids meal. The hot dog was like $7.50. The cheese quesadilla, $6.50.
Yes.
Of the two, I think we preferred the hot dog.
Yeah, the hot dog, the wrap.
The little bun thing they
The
used.
little blanket, it was great.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
The vegetable chips were good, and we both ate our cuties.
We did. It was very refreshing.
Nikki did enjoy the cuties.
I did.
And that blueberry cheesecake mousse, what can I say? Mickey knows his mousse. I love Mickey's mousse. So there we go, a little, you know, we saved a little money by doing this.
Yeah, we did.
And we got to show you guys some of the kid meal items. One ride done, one meal done. We should definitely do another ride, which will be Everest. Visit my buddy, the Yeti there.
Oh no.
Well, I don't think we'll get another meal. We should get another treat before we leave.
I like that idea.
Festival of the Lion King. I've mentioned this in a recent live stream, but not in a video. But Festival of the Lion King has reopened, and this is consistently one of Disney World Resorts' highest rated shows. And judging by today's line, still very popular. Back on the subject of food, here's another little trick and a recommendation. Say you don't want like a big meal. Like earlier we had the kids meal. Save some money, save some calories, because we weren't that hungry. But it's gonna tide us over. Over here at the Ombre Fruit Market, the street corn. This 100% is a recommendation. I love this corn. A good little snack. It'll hold you over to when you really need to eat. And here you can see the price, $5.29, but actually priceless. Also today, I think Nikki's on the lookout for some Up merchandise. We'll see if we can find some. We've made it to the location of the Up bird show. You would think this would be a good spot for some Up merchandise, but you would be wrong. There's none here. Look, like right here, a merchandise cart for Up. Could go right here. On the drive over, when we were talking about where we were going to eat, we had mentioned the Yak and the Yeti because we do have that Landry's card. But alas, you have to have reservations, and we are one to go by the seat of our pants. We don't plan that far in advance. Thusly, we could not get into the Yak and Yeti today. We should, you know what we should plan for? Like 3 weeks from now.
If we can get it. Even then, you never know, it's summer.
There's the end of the line. For what, you may ask? One of the Disney photo spots. The Forbidden Mountain there in the background. And a little further back is Everest. Expedition Everest, a 25-minute standby wait. Single rider line, still not open. Gotta go say hello to my good friend, actually my nemesis, the Yeti. The last time I was here at Animal Kingdom, I went on Everest twice. Why 2 times? Well, the first time, I had an incident. If you watch the live streams, you know what I'm talking about.
Everyone looking at those seats coming down before they get on the train.
The delay. Ah, now he has the incident, not me. Haha,
gosh.
the tables have turned, Nikki.
This is creepy. Oh, I don't like that.
How do you like that?
That was awesome.
It was the Yeti this time that had the incident.
Yes, not you. Oh, goodness.
A little delay there in the mountain. Days without incident for the Yeti. Back to 0. Scoreboard's now 2-2. Yeti and Rick. Now, to be fair, it's a lot easier doing it for video instead of a live stream.
Yeah, plus you have the strap around your wrist.
Yes. Yeah. So, but we're still counting this as an incident for the Yeti.
Yes, it did take a while for it to...
That was an unscheduled pause.
Yes.
A pregnant pause. I give you these 15, check that, 110 commandments. Let me know in the comments below, but I think that is a Mel Brooks movie that I'm kind of spoofing. What's the wait time, Nikki?
20 minutes.
Hot dog, I've been wanting to go on Velocicoaster. Let's go.
Not our dino.
When dinosaurs ruled the earth. Na 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 na.
Get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range. Hadrosauur. Raptor.
Time to get serious.
Velocicoaster, a little different than I imagined. Let's head over, you know what, let's take the monorail to the Magic Kingdom and look at Hogwarts Castle. Hashtag confuse tourists. But now, let's look around for some Up merchandise. Now I think usually the Up merchandise would be right here, but this kiosk is all buttoned up. Let's go inside of a store. Actually, a cast member told me the Up t-shirts would be in here. Just this little section here. This little corner. That's all we have for Up merchandise. And these are not the t-shirts Nikki's looking for. However, for $55 they have this cookie jar. Or could it be a doggy treat jar?
Oh, I love that.
We have another wall of Up merchandise, of which my favorite thing, I have a lot of mugs though. This mug is $23. I do have the urge to add this to my collection. See that thing behind us, Nikki?
Yes.
Last chance for a treat. Want one?
No, thank you. I'm good.
All right, say the thing you say then.
Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun.
Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and now it's time to relax. But wait, I was wrong. This is your last chance for a treat. What say ye?
Ye say the cinnamon bun looks yummy.
I was not expecting you to go there. Forget that. Say the thing you say again.
Don't miss magic, don't miss the fun.
Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and I'll consider your request. Let's go check it out. My attempts to be funny has backfired, as she's getting 2 treats. Son of a gun. I should know better. I should quit while I'm ahead.